Assalamu alaikum, grade 9 computer science. Now we are starting our chapter number 3, that is office automation. What does it mean, office automation? Computer user have to prepare document in whichever presentation they are made. It is essential for all the user to learn how to create the documents such as letter, reports, proposal, etc. Spreadsheet are also commonly required in business and office. These are used and process numeric data. Hence, all the users have some basic knowledge to create the documents and spreadsheet. These units describe how to prepare the professional looking documents, presentations using spreadsheet using a word processing and the spreadsheet program respectively. The last section of the unit describe how to prepare the unit documents in Urdu with an Urdu editor. First of all, you have to learn about the office automation. Office automation refers to the modern technology used to create, store, process. Office automation for accomplishing the basic tasks performed in offices. These systems that facilitate the office automation is known as an office automation system, OAS. Office automation software basically consists of three important computer components. That first is hardware, software, and the network. The software used for office automation consists of word processing, spreadsheet, database management, and the presentation, user graphics, electronic mails, and video conferencing software. Office automation software allow the user to create the letters, reports, spreadsheet, graphics, manipulate images, and send email to or receive email from the user on the network. Office automation software helps in improving the productivity and saving money and the human efforts. The most common used office automation software is MS Office, that is known as in Microsoft Office. It is also an office of applications. It consists of MS Office, MS Excel, MS Access, MS PowerPoint, and MS Outlook. It was first announced by the Bill Gates. As you all know that the MS Office and office automation is announced or created by the one and only Bill Gates on 1 August 1988. Its latest version in MS Office 2016 released on 22 September 2015. Some other examples of office automation software are Apache Office, OpenOffice, and many others. You can learn by your own. Now, how to install the office automation software? It's very easy how to install this software. Is very important for all the computers used in the office as well as in homes. First of all, you follow the following steps to install this. First of all, you have to run the installation process. Second, enter the product key and click the continue button as shown in the figure 3.1. Look at this figure. You can here now enter the product key. When you enter the product key, you just press the continue button. The process is done. Read the Microsoft Office license terms shown in another box, and then read the Microsoft Office license term. Now we have install. Now choose the installation you want. Installation start. Complete your office experience. Continue online. Now the last step is continue. Hopefully you will learn how to install MS Office on your computers.